Exploring the Rhythms, Understanding Saxophone Workshops. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: saxophone workshops. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a language learner, or simply curious, this video will clarify what a saxophone workshop entails and why it's an exciting opportunity for musicians and learners alike. A saxophone workshop is a specialized event or class focused on the saxophone, one of the most popular musical instruments in the jazz and classical music genres. These workshops are designed for a range of participants, from beginners to advanced players. They provide a unique opportunity to learn, practice, and improve saxophone skills under the guidance of experienced instructors. Participants in a saxophone workshop can expect a mix of individual lessons, group sessions, and performances. Key activities include masterclasses where experts share techniques, tips, and insights on saxophone playing, practice sessions to apply new skills and receive feedback, ensemble playing for experience in group dynamics and performance, Q&A sessions with instructors to address specific questions and challenges. Attending a saxophone workshop offers numerous benefits. Skill improvement. Direct feedback and tips from professionals can significantly enhance your playing technique. Networking. Meet and connect with fellow saxophonists, creating opportunities for collaboration and learning. Motivation and inspiration. Being surrounded by like-minded individuals and mentors can boost your motivation and inspire you to reach new heights in your musical journey. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a saxophone workshop is and the wonderful opportunities it presents for learning and growth in the world of music. Whether you're looking to refine your skills, meet fellow musicians, or simply explore the saxophone more deeply, a workshop could be an invaluable experience. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing and exploring the beauty of language and music.